How to fix Instagram message not sending. Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Instagram. When you find it, open it like this, and then you have to scroll down the screen, click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And now, what's the last things guys you need to do? You have to go to your permissions. After this, go to uh, here, files and media, allow access to media only, and that's it, your problem will be solved after this.